Though it may be raining, I still ain't complaining, 'cause you are my shelter from the storm. When the wind is howling, I won't throw the towel in. I'll just cuddle up beside you, baby, nice and warm. Though the lights have all gone out and there's no telephone, we'll be underneath the blanket sure enough. Though the window panes are shaking from the thunder that is quaking, we'll be taking time to make a little love. Well, the weather is appalling, but I hear you calling, and I'd swim up 2nd Avenue just to see that smile and steal a kiss or two. I'll be spending all my rainy days with you.